Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to set the time zone on our Kali Linux latest version 2021.1. Okay friends, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much. So let's start. So simply this is what our Kali Linux latest version. Open the terminal. If I run the command sudo cat space slash etc os hyphen release, and as you can see 2021.1, the latest version. So here how to set the particular time zone. Okay, so simply we need to run the command sudo time z and press just tab button, and it will come the command. So sudo time date ctl, this is what our command. Okay, sudo time date ctl, and then just hit enter. It will show the information about the zone which we have right now on Kali Linux. Okay, the time zone. So right now as you can see, the America Havana is the time zone which I have set. Okay, for this particular practical, because I want to show you how to change with your local time zone. Okay, so for that I have just change the time zone using the America Havana. Okay, so right now we have here America Havana time zone. Okay, so how to change with a local, with your particular local time zone? For that again we need to run the command sudo time z ctl, and we need to press here a tab button for knowing the options. Okay, so press tab button, and as you can see we have these options for with our time date ctl command. We have list time zone, set local rtc, set ntp, set time, and set time zone. So we are basically going to use here list time zones and set time zones. Okay, list time zones is basically for the showing all the time zones. Okay, so first we are going to check the time zones. So sudo space time date ctl, this is what the command. Then we are going to use the first one option, list hyphen time zones. So simply list hyphen time zones and just hit enter. It will show us all the time zones which we have. So you can choose a particular time zone from yours. Okay, so I am from India, so I am going to choose here Asia Kolkata. So simply we need to scroll down, just scroll down, Asia. As you can see here, it is what our Asia Kolkata. So I need to mention the time zone like this way. A is the capital, Asia, and Kolkata. Okay, so control C and clear the screen. Again we are going to run our command sudo time date ctl, and again I am going to press the tab button, and here now we have used our list time zones command. Now we are going to set the time zone. So set time zone, this is what the command. Okay, so sudo time date ctl set time zone, and then we need to mention our time zone. So Asia, A is the capital, Asia, and Kolkata. That's it. Hit enter. Now we have changed our time zone. So if I run the command sudo time date ctl, just a minute, it's a sudo. Okay, sudo then time date ctl and hit enter. As you can see, I can change the time zone successfully with Asia Kolkata. Okay, and here it is. As you can see that the date time time is now changed. Okay, so this is the way, friends, you can change the time zone on Kali Linux latest version using time date ctl command. Okay, so this is what the small tips how to change the time zone on Kali Linux. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.